Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today I'm showing you how I meal prep for the week. Some of the things I just cook for like 2 to 3 days because I like to have it fresh, and then I'll just cook again whenever it runs out. And then things like the chicken, I like to have it seasoned in the freezer and just ready to go. If I don't have these things ready, then I'll end up just grabbing food on the go or just letting things go bad. And I am Hispanic, Dominican, we never throw away food. That's a sin. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it with the fruit, vegetables, protein, carbs, and all that. The things that I'm gonna prep: ground beef, ground turkey, chicken drumstick, chicken thighs, bell peppers, pineapple, rice, and I think the broccoli is still frozen, so probably won't cook it.
Hey guys!
Do you wanna help me?
I'm the one that eats.
He's the one that pays for everything.
What do you need help with?
Well, maybe helping me record.
Okay.
Here I have the ground beef seasoned. I pretty much use the same seasonings for everything. Just for the chicken, I add some lemon pepper. I have the chicken drumsticks here. I have to mix it. I have the ground turkey. I'm gonna add the beans, and I'm cooking some chicken drumsticks to eat now. I have all the drumsticks here, and then I'm gonna add 2 chicken thighs. This is gonna be for next week. I still need to make the ground beef patties, but the ground turkey is ready. I'm going to put this away now that it's cooled down already and start cooking some more food. I washed my hands before this. I'm just basically ripping off the skin, and then I'm going to retouch it with a knife. It takes a little bit of patience, but it's fine. If you do not like the smell of chicken or the texture, you wouldn't like doing this. It's what you gotta do when you wanna hit your protein eating real food, not freaking protein bars and Premier and Power Core drinks. Like, eat your chicken, eat your real protein. I'm doing my own ground beef breakfast patties because I do not trust sausages or things that they sell. So I usually use ground beef, 93% lean, 7% fat, but this one is the 80-20 because I had bought it and I'm using it. It's best for like smash burgers and stuff like that. They look a little bit more greasy, but honestly, it's just pure animal fat. I'm not scared of that. So I usually eat this for breakfast with eggs, sourdough, and avocado on the side.
Yo, check me out. My neck ain't broke. Okay, never mind. She's cooking for Puppy Chulies.
I am prepping the chicken for the week. If I cook the chicken in advance, it's too dry. So I just season it, I clean it, and then every time I'm gonna eat it, every time we're gonna eat it for dinner or lunch, I just cook it before with potatoes. That's why I'm not meal prepping potatoes. What are you doing over there? I do not like having soggy potatoes. This just helps me to get things done quicker throughout the week. Wives, we do a lot. This is what you should be doing. I don't know why women complain that they're in the kitchen. I'd rather do this than
Right, babe?
work
Tell
all
them,
day.
women belong in the kitchen.
Okay, we don't belong in the kitchen, like just in the kitchen. I embrace it. I mean, I'm fine. When I met you and I realized that you were one of those men that wanted to work and provide and protect and lead and have the wife at home taking care of the kids and cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, I was like, yeah, that's the one. I think I can do that. He's not asking for much. So here we are, cooking and massaging chicken. I put it in this plastic containers. Yes, plastic, because it goes in the freezer, and if I use glass, it's gonna crack. I just have like the servings for each day. I always use avocado oil. We don't use seed oils in this house, never. I'm done with the ground turkey, ground beef, and chicken. I'm cooking some rice, and I will slice the pineapple and the bell peppers, and then I should be done for today. As you can see, I don't really meal prep like every single meal, but I'd say I do ingredient prepping where I like having my proteins, my carbs, fruits and veggies already prepped for the week / half of the week. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like it, share with a friend. Leave a comment down below if I should make more videos like this, just like showing my day-to-day. And follow us both on Instagram. My husband, Coach Tata, and mine, Louisa Tata Fit. Peace.